Are you looking for a comfortable place to sleep that doesn't take up a lot of space? A folding bed may be the perfect solution for you. These beds can be easily folded up and stored away when not in use, making them a great option for small spaces. Here are 5 of the best folding beds on the market today. Let's get started. List number: Milliard Diplomat Folding Bed Cot Size. The Diplomat is the quintessential folding bed that's practical and portable, perfectly sized for any bedroom. Its steel wire lattice frame is reinforced and overbuilt to ensure maximum sturdiness. Ready to use, it folds up to a slim 14 inches thick profile that's easy to store and transport. The support foam provides a solid base, and the memory foam gives you the soft, luxurious comfort your body craves. It also comes with a bonus mattress cover that's easy to toss into the wash for a quick clean. Designed for portability and versatility, the Milliard Diplomat folding bed is the ideal solution to when you need a bed on the go. It folds up to a slim 14 inches thick profile and comes with wheels for easy transportation. It's built with high-quality materials that create a foundation for a long-lasting mattress. List note: Light Bed Folding Bed with Memory Foam Mattress. Light Bed Folding Bed is designed with an extra soft, cozy memory foam mattress, which is made of high-density, super soft foam and is supported by a flexible mesh. This bed's frame is built from a super sturdy, strong steel frame with the highest weight capacity ever of 350 pounds. Light Bed Folding Guest Bed will delight your guests with our comfortable folding bed for years to come. Our Light Bed Folding Bed with Memory Foam Mattress is a lightweight, flexible, secure, and easy-to-use mattress that folds down into its own compact bag. Plus, its durable fabric cover will keep it in tip-top shape for years of convenience, giving you the best sleep you've ever had. The mattress weighs only 5 pounds and measures 24 inches by 31 inches by 5 inches, so it's easy to put under your bed or in your car trunk for easy storage. List number: Foxamart Folding Bed. Foxamart's folding bed makes it easy to bring your bed home, making it possible for you to sleep in comfort. Our durable frame is supported by high-quality steel that enables it to withstand the weight of an adult. This comfortable bed is great for your personal or guest bedroom because it can be folded away and easily stored. It also folds down easily to fit in your car or hotel room. The mattress comes with 2 Velcro, which fixes the mattress properly on the bed frame while you're sleeping. The sturdy metal frame is reinforced to ensure maximum sturdiness, meaning no wobbling in the middle of the night. Not only does our bed come with a sturdy steel construction, but it also comes with 2 Velcro straps that help you fix the mattress to your bed frame. You can take our portable, foldable bed wherever you go. List number: Giantex Rollaway Folding Bed with 4-inch Mattress. Our Giantex Rollaway bed is made of high-quality and durable materials, which provides comfort to you. It is lightweight, portable, and easy to move, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Our folding bed is made in Italy, so it can be ensured of high quality, featuring with sturdy steel pipes and tightly connected hardware. The whole frame is not easy to deform. This bed can be folded by simple steps at any time, letting you cope with various situations. Sturdy buckle helps effectively prevent the folding bed from suddenly unfolding during transportation. Designed with compact size and lightweight, the rolling bed is easy to move around or store after folding in garage or trunk of your car. List number: Quickton Heavy Duty Folding Bed. The Quickton steel frame and 2 center support belts heavy-duty folding bed is designed to give stability and support, guaranteeing your bed base remains in place while you sleep. The extra 2 reinforced center support belts will ensure a reinforced support even under heavy loads. Our mattress is filled with foam, encased within the micro-quilt knit material covering. Quickton Deluxe Folding Queen Bed's sturdy tubular steel frame construction offers excellent strength and durability. Extra 2 reinforced center support belts give a reinforced support for bed base mats. The foam mattress with micro-quilt 3D stretch knit material cover offers enough friction to keep it in place and a comfortable, soft skin touch feeling. The two center support belts ensure stability and supports up to 300 pounds.